Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to connect TradingView to Webull. All right, let's begin. First, open your browser and search for TradingView. Go to the official website and log into your account. At the top, click on Brokers, then select Compare Brokers. Here you can choose any broker and click Learn More. It does not matter which broker you select at this stage. Once on the broker's page, scroll down and click Trade Now. This will take you to the trading section. Close any pop-ups, and at the bottom you will see the trading panel. Click on it and you will see a list of brokers. Select all brokers to display the full list. Now, locate Webull and click Connect. This will redirect you to the Webull website. If you already have an account, log in. If not, create an account and choose the type of trading account you need. Once logged in, your Webull account will be connected to TradingView. So that's basically how you can connect TradingView to Webull. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.